In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a grid bot. So at the top of the screen, once you're signed in, you want to come over to dashboard. Once you're on the dashboard screen, you want to click on this menu item at the top here that says grid bots. And then once you're on this screen, you're going to click on this plus sign to create a grid bot. That will open the grid bot settings. At the top here, you've got the name of the bot. You can change that whatever you wish. It doesn't affect how the bot runs. You need to make sure, obviously, that you've got your MetaMask connected because this is a decentralized grid bot and it only trades with a decentralized exchange. It doesn't trade with centralized exchanges. From this drop down, you've got your trading pair. Then below that, you've got the exchanges, which is the smart contracts that you're going to trade with. This will show you your balance that you've got inside your MetaMask wallet, whether it's in Tether, USDC, or whether in BUSD. Below this one, you've got the infinite setting, and then you've got these other two that are grayed out because obviously you can't use these at the moment because your bot is not up and running. Then on the right hand side here, if you've chosen a token that you've not approved with the smart contract before, it will be in red. If you've chosen a token that has been approved before, then it will be in green. And to change that red one to green, you just click on this word here that says change. That will open up your MetaMask wallet. And all you need to do, leave the default setting in there and just click next and then click approve. And then what you're doing is waiting for that approval to be confirmed on the blockchain. And once it's been approved and confirmed on the blockchain, it will turn to green. The next thing we do is we come down to the grid settings. Now in here, you put the amount that you want to trade within the grid. So that's the total amount that you're going to trade with, not the individual trades. And then in this section here, you're going to put in how much you would like each individual grid trade to be done. As you can see, if I put in 10 there, it's telling me that it can do 10 trades of $20 or 20 BUSD in this case. So if I was to put in here 100, I'll get this red symbol coming up and it's telling me that I would be doing $2 trades, which if I put my mouse over there, I get that note to tell me that that's too low, because the minimum trade is 10. So I can't have 100 lots unless I increase the amount that I've got over here, or I need to decrease the amount of lots that I want to trade with. So if I put in there 20, for example, this turns to green, which means I'm allowed to save the bot because the bot's happy with these settings. Then in this box, you need to put the lower price of what you want the grid to be. So that would be the very lowest price that the bot could buy at. And then in this one is the upper price, which is the upper price of what the bot could buy at, not what it could sell at. It could sell outside the grid. If the bot buys at the top of the grid, then it means that the sell will be outside the grid. So by default, it gives you a couple of numbers in there, and you can change those for whatever you like. So this is Bitcoin I've chose here. So I'm going to put in here 60,000. And then over here, I'm going to put 80,000. So if I was trading with $200, which is 200 Tether, I'm saying I want to do 20 grids. Now I could lower that down to 10 grids, which means that each lot on the grid will be for $20. And if I put that to 5, then it's saying that there'll be 5 grids and each buy will be $40. So you can put in the number that you want in there between 3 and 200. So if I put in 200, that's way too many because I've only got 200 over here. So I'm going to put that back to 20, and then all I need to do is to come up to the top of the screen and click save. That will bring me back to the GridBot dashboard, and then all I need to do is to scroll down and find my bot that I've set up. Then I need to switch it on manually. It won't do any trades until I toggle that across. And that's how easy it is to set up a grid bot. Create your own trading robot. Below this video, you're going to find a link. It's going to take you over to Jonny Blockchain. You've got decentralized trading or centralized trading. Your funds stay inside your wallets all the time. So if you're using the decentralized, your funds stay inside your MetaMask. If you're using the centralized on Binance, then your funds stay inside your Binance account. You don't have to send your funds to this platform to do the trading for you. You can create a free account by clicking on sign up or register. It's going to bring you here. Pop your name, your email address, password, put some ticks in these boxes. Click on this box here to say complete my sign up. You can have a look round, and when you're ready to get started, if you want to set up a decentralized trading robot, it's going to cost you $25 a year to set up as many trading robots as you like. If you want to set up a centralized trading robot with Binance, it's going to cost you another $25 a year. and you can set up as many robots as you like. So if you want to set up both decentralized and centralized trading robots, it's just $50 a year for as many trading robots as you like. Click the link below, come and create your free account, and happy trading.